Yes, welcome to our corporate accounting class. Today we are going to discuss the problem taken from Aral Gupta Radhaswamy. This is problem number 17. We are going to prepare the balance sheet. Please understand clearly. Okay, the first item, which is share capital 3500 is given. That one is taken in schedule number 1. Then reserve fund is 2400. Have a look on that. Schedule number 2. I have prepared next to that schedule number 2. I have showed the workings. Reserve fund as on 1/4/21, which is 2450 is given. Then fixed deposits account, that will coming under deposits account, that is schedule number 3. Okay, fixed deposit 6650. Then another one is a savings bank, that is also a deposit. Current account, that is also a deposit. All these three items should be in schedule number 3. Then money at call and short notice. We have to take this item of money at call and short notice, schedule number 7, in yes, asset side, schedule number 7. Okay, money at call and short notice. We have to take it there. Then another one is investments. This is schedule number 8. Total amount of investments is what the informations related to investments given in the question, we have to take it here. Okay, then next one, which is called P&L account credit 1/4/2021. Please have a look on that working note. That amount of provident loss 1470 is mentioned in the working note. So what we have to do, since in this problem we are not preparing the P&L account, so we have to ascertain the amount of current profit as a working. Then we have to add the net profit brought forward. Total amount of profit we will get. Another one, dividend for 2021 350 rupees. This should also be taken in dividend paid appropriations. Have a look on that. P&L, then net profit, and then appropriation. There we have to take the dividend paid 250 and 350 rupees. The amount of dividend taken there. Next, land and buildings. This is fixed assets. Okay, the amount of land and building, which is, what is that? Land and building depreciation up to 31/3/2021 7445. That should be taken in land and building. That should be in asset side, fixed assets schedule. Then next item, which is cash in hand, where we have to take the cash in hand 10,500. That one should be taken in schedule number 6. Cash on hand balance with the RBI. There we have to take that item of 10,500 along with some other additions. Okay, so we have to take the full amount. See, full amount I have showed 10,920. Then balance with the RBI, which is cash on hand 420. Then balance with the RBI is 10,500. Total amount that comes to 10,920. That's what we mentioned in the main part of the answer, schedule number 6. The next item is borrowings from other banks. You please understand that term, borrowing from other banks. That means this bank, that new Bank of India, this bank has borrowed the amount. Okay, borrowing from other bank 4,400. We have taken in schedule number 4. Next, bills discounted and purchase. Where we have to take this bills discounted and purchase, this is in schedule number 9, advances. Minded, what are all the items advanced to others? Those items should be in schedule number 9. Next one, sundry creditors. This is other liabilities and provisions, schedule number 5. And another one is bills payable. This should also be in schedule number 5. Another one, the next item given here is 980 rupees, that is for unclaimed dividend. What is that unclaimed dividend given in the question? Have a look on that. The unclaimed dividend, which is 210 rupees, that one is taken here. Then acceptance on behalf of customers. This is supposed to be the contingent liability. Okay, any item given in the name of bills accepted and endorsement. Bills accepted and endorsements for customers and acceptance on behalf of customers. If the item is mentioned named like this, then we have to take that item as a contingent liability. Then net profit for the year is 1680. Please point this item, mark this point, that amount of net profit for this year you are not required to calculate. See, it is already calculated and given in the question. That item of 1680, have a look on that working note. Item of 1680, then we have to add current profit brought forward. This is current profit, and profit brought forward, what is given in the question, 1470. That item should be taken here. Total amount of the profit, which is 3150, minus appropriations applicable. Then final balance sheet, final balance of a profit transferred to 2464. That one should be calculated. Okay, then next important line, the net profit is after deducting provisions for depreciation. Sorry, bad debt, not depreciation. Provision for bad debt, 2000, 2 lakh 10,000. Then tax provisions, 7 lakhs. Rebate on bill discounted, 35,000. These items should be taken in appropriations, point number 1. And as far as that rebate on bill discounted is concerned, that item should be in, we can give two treatment. One, that bills discounted, rebate on bill discounted, if you are given with the opening balance and closing balances, then what we have to do, if rebate on bill discounted, opening balance and closing balance, then what we have to do is, opening balance should be added in schedule number 13, closing balance should be deducted from that. This is one. And number 2 treatment is the closing balance of rebate on bill discounted, that one is supposed to be adjusted either in other liabilities and provisions, or you can adjust that item from what, advances, schedule number 9. In this way we have to treat. You please have a common practice. In this question we are given with only one balance of a rebate on bill discounted, that is only the closing balance is given, rebate on bill discounted. Okay, so if it is the closing balance alone is given in that, you please omit, and no separate treatment is given, no separate treatment is required. If on, you please make a note of it, no separate treatment is required, and that itself is considered as already treated at the time of preparing the schedule number 13. Okay, and it is adjusted against the schedule number 9 advances. Just like a final accounts, here also for all the things, all the adjustments, we have to give two effects. Okay, that's why I am saying one effect in schedule number 13 for rebate on bill discounted. Another one effect is supposed to be in schedule number 9. Okay, so this is one important essay type question. You please practice this question and also the related problems given in your text. Okay, you will get the full idea about how to prepare the balance sheet and P&L account. Though P&L account is directly asked in this question, but the working should be done for the ascertainment of the final profit transferred to the balance sheet 2464. For ascertainment of that amount, we have to do the workings. Okay, practice this problem.